Hi, I'm Joe, owner of Texans Water Heaters, proudly serving Houston and the surrounding areas for over 10 years. At Texans Water Heaters, we specialize in installing and servicing reliable, tankless, and traditional water heaters that deliver comfort and peace of mind to your home. We believe a great day starts with a great shower. No more worrying about running out of hot water. Our licensed, experienced team makes the process quick, easy, and affordable. So if you're ready to upgrade your home's comfort, give us a call or visit us at TexansWaterHeaters.com. We're here to help because Texans deserve the best.